Hey, what's up mga tropa? Welcome back to my channel again. My name is L.A. Simon, and please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. And for today's video, let's talk about the different variety of jade plant. So, aware ba tayo na maraming variety ang jade plant? Maraming klase siya. Kaya minsan meron ako mga nababasa na post sa Facebook na meron tayong confusions. Bakit ganito yung itsura ng jade plant ko? Bakit yung iba yung itsura? So, meron kasing cases na ang jade plant kasi napakaraming variety. And magkakatulad sila ng structure, magkakatulad ng size ng dahon, magkakatulad ng texture ng itsura except minsan sa kulay. And hindi natin aware, hindi tayo aware na magkaiba pala siyang jade plant. So kung minsan iniisip natin na casualty siya, though meron talagang nangyayari na casualty yung nagiging problema kung bakit hindi masyadong green si jade plant, kung bakit ganito, ganyan, etc. etc. Pero meron dito, kapag napanood nyo to, makikita nyo na marami pa ng jade plant na magkakamukha. So yun yung sigurong right term para i-describe itong mga iba't ibang variety ng jade plant na ito. And for sure, maibigan yung mangolekta ng jade plant after nyong mapanood ito. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Silver dollar jade, also known as the blue Buddha bush. This succulent is popular for its silver blue leaves with burgundy edges. It also grows flowers during winter months. Bluebird money plant. Variegated leaves of this variety set it apart from the other types of jade plants with a blend of aqua and red. The size can be controlled by growing in containers. Gollum jade. This jade plant got its name due to the protruding finger-like foliage. The leaves are tubular in shape and red at the tips. The plant flowers in pink-white blooms in winters. Variegated Gollum. This jade plant variety is slightly bigger than Gollum jade. The leaves are green with an orange tint and red tips with spoon-like shape. Jade plant. This is the most common and popular variety and offers oval-shaped thick dark green leaves that grow upward and spans out. It also grows pink-white flowers in winter. Botany Bay. Introduced in 2011, this compact, bushy ovata cultivar flaunts red hues in dry conditions. The fleshy light green leaves have red tips. Harbor Lights. The red tinges on the tips of green plumped leaves become more intense in winter, making it more attractive. One of the best types of jade plants on the list. Hobbit. Popular for the dwarf structure, it grows up to not larger than 10-12 inches. Ladyfingers jade. The jade plant Gollum, Hobbit and ladyfingers look somewhat similar. The only difference is ladyfingers has much narrower, finger-like leaves. Hummel's sunset. This was awarded by the Royal Horticultural Society in 1993 for its striking foliage color. Its leaves turn from green to gold and red in winter. Little jade tree. Just like the name, this small and compact variety can grow up to 12-16 inches tall and features oval-shaped green fleshy leaves adorned with red edges. Miniature jade. It is quite different from the Crassula ovata little jade tree. The plant creates a bushy structure in small containers and forms leaves cluster on several branches. Pink jade plant. This beautiful variety got its name because of clusters of star-shaped pink blossoms that grow on the tips and cover the entire plant in fall and early winter. Calico kitten. Colorful calico kitten exhibits eye-catching gray-green leaves with pink cream and lemon edges in a spectacular shape of heart. Campfire. It has propeller-like foliage with light green and bright red hue, which gives it a dramatic look. It also produces white flowers during the summer. Moon glow. This unique succulent has long and narrow gray-green leaves with small white hair that gives it a silver shine and makes it look like it's covered by frost. Fairy Crassula. It looks more like a sedum plant with spoon-like green leaves, having red edges. When planted in groups, it can create an outstanding uniform look. Red Flames. This variety is prized with distinct-looking foliage that looks like a pink-tinged rosette. Grow it in shade and the leaves will take a bright apple green color. Baby's necklace. One of the prettiest Crassula hybrid baby's necklace is a head turner. It has small round-shaped gray-green reddish leaves that resemble a beaded necklace. Propeller plant. It has got the common name because of flat propeller-like succulent leaves. In favorable growing conditions, the plant also produces gorgeous red blossoms. Little jade tree. This was awarded by the Royal Horticultural Society in 1993 for its striking foliage color. Its leaves turn from green to gold and red in winter. Miniature pine tree. This low-maintenance succulent showcases needle-like, all-shaped leaves having a rich hue of apple green on small, trunk-like stems. You can also grow it as bonsai. Variegated jade plant. This easy-to-grow variety displays silver-white stripes on the green leaves. It also flowers in pink-white blossoms. Crosby's red. Somewhat similar to the regular jade. It is much more compact and small. Expose the plant to the sun and it will take a magnificent hue of red. RIPLE jade plant. Compared to the normal jade plant, this variety has ripped foliage. It is also known as curly jade plant. Baby jade plant. The baby jade plant doesn't belong to the Crassula genus, though it looks similar to the original jade but with smaller leaves. Yellow rainbow bush. This slow-growing, sprawling ground cover succulent has beautiful red-brown stems and rounded pale yellow to light green leaves. Elephant bush. This attractive succulent has maroon stems, covered fleshy leaves. It cascades beautifully over walls and achieves incredible lengths. Large elephant bush. This attractive variety produces rounded fleshy green leaves with red edges on dark red stems. This beautiful succulent can be controlled by pruning when grown. Rainbow bush. This features cream-colored foliage patterned with light green center stripes and a tinge of magenta on the edges of leaves. Turquoise jade. This beautiful vine is not a member of the Crassula genus but is popular for striking flowers made up of dangling clumps of bright blue-green claw-shaped blooms.
And that's all for my today's video. Well, nakapili na ba kayo ng bagong idadagdag nyo sa mga collections nyo? Well, hindi pa rin ako kompleto sa mga jade plant na to. And kung merong mga seller dyan nanonood na merong ditong available na variety of jade plant, lalo yun na yung mga variegated, di ba? Diyan tayo minsan na-in-love sa mga variegated na jade plant. Pero alam ko na marami ang nahihirapan sa pag-aalaga ng jade plant. And parang hindi ko alam, pero jade plant is one of the most na parang nahihirapan yung maraming mga plantito or plantita na alagaan. Kasi si jade plant is very sensitive compared sa ibang uri ng succulents. Kaya naman dito sa channel ko, I already discussed, diba, on my previous vlog, ano yung mga common mistakes, ano yung mga kadalasang problema, or ano yung mga nagagawa natin na hindi dapat, na naglilid kung bakit namamatay yung ating jade plant. So, i-check nyo na lang yan. And again, maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on my next vlog. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Again, maraming salamat.